So guys, this is foolishness. We're going to be replacing a pull motor, square flange, 2 horsepower. So first things, as always, turn off your power. We're going to take off the back. We're going to verify we're at no power. It's hot. The motor's hot. Just have a heat shut off. I think we have a lot of lint, and I think it's getting clogging up the motor. We're going to turn on our multimeter. AC. We put on here, and we got 0. Okay, I'm gonna take off electrical. Our nut driver. We got a ground, 1 ground, and this is a 220, 230 volt. So we got 2 hots and a ground. Okay, just reuse this electrical grommet, bushing. I'm going to take off our bond. Okay, we take our 9/16 nut driver, and I like to do the motor bolts first. I got 4 of them. Pull it apart. We've separated it. Okay. I'm gonna take this somewhere. Filled up with hair, so we're going to get all that out. First, let's take off this, let's take that pillar off. I have the middle screw in here, fill it, and it's reverse. That stays in there. Now we're going to get a screwdriver and we're going to pop off this impeller. Okay. We find a vein. And we tap it. Okay. Now our impeller is free. And we're gonna clean this junk out. See this glob of hair. This takes makes the motor work harder. You don't get your flow. This is a mixture of hair and clothes. So get all this stuff out of here. And check our veins. You got a pick. You can use a wire, electrical wire too, if you don't have a pick. And we're just gonna go down. We'll go down each vein, just check it out. Make sure there's nothing in here. Okay, that's cleared out. So let's pull out our part of our seal, our carbon, our ceramic. Throw that away. We're gonna use our instructions. Make sure you don't touch around your seal with fingerprints. If there's oil on your finger, will stop it from sealing. So we're going to use our instructions. Okay. Always use your instructions. I'm going to put our seal in this slot here, the groove. So I got our ceramic. I'm going to push down with the instructions. Nice and snug, so it's even. See? So that's good. Okay. I'm going to move this aside. Okay. So now we're going to take this seal out. Seal plate knocked over, so we're going to hit the back side to pop out the seal. So we pushed out the seal. Here's the old seal. Clean up around this lip. Our new seal. And stick it in place. You can use a pipe fitting. I believe it's 3/4 pipe fitting, and it will fit around here perfect to hit it down. That the capacitor is on top, and so it should match it with this. And you have a groove here. You're going to make sure this groove is on the bottom. this. Put our screws in the back. Be snug. I'm going to tighten them up. We got our impeller in place. Alright, so we're going to tighten this impeller up. We're going to hold on to this back shaft, like so. Then we're going to flip the motor over. Impeller. Flip this thing over. Alright, we're going to put it back in our impeller screw. Remember, it's reverse thread. Okay, there we go. Now I put on our diffuser. Motor. I'm gonna have to take out this piece right here to make it wider. Okay, this back in.